Meaning of introvert.
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 Introvert. The term introvert refers to a person who tends to focus inwardly, often feeling more energized and fulfilled by spending time alone or in quiet settings. Introverts may be introspective and thoughtful, reflecting deeply on their emotions and inner experiences. Unlike extroverts, who tend to be more outgoing and thrive on social interactions, introverts can find such situations draining and may need to retreat to recharge their batteries in quieter environments. It is important to note that introversion is not the same as shyness or social anxiety, although introverts may experience these feelings at times.